super excited to go on a walk. Wait, Milo, hold on. Hey guys, it's Matti here, back with another vlog. It's actually super good lighting right now. Hallelujah. This is great lighting.
Nobody quite like you, got me falling through and through straight.
Okay guys, so far today I've woken up, of course, got myself ready for the day, filmed a video, and now I'm walking Milo. It's really nice outside, like, oh gosh, it's really nice outside. It's not windy, it's not too hot, it's a little bit cloudy. Today's gonna be a good day. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. I'm going to the mall today with a whole bunch of my friends, so that's gonna be really fun. Oh, I'm excited. Yeah. Myself a strawberry lemonade. Hi! Let me be in the vlog. Hi! It tastes good. Let me check. What is it? This is Charlie's. Oh my god, it's Charlie's.
Who's gonna win? Latanya, you took an L.
Oh, it's my song.
True.
If a glittery poop isn't that ironic? Isn't that really ironic?
Oh wait, it's
whoa! That's intense.
wow! Oh, there's a mermaid. Wait, why am I trying to do it with my foot?
It's a glittery poop.
My hands are full, people.
Oh my gosh, we're so obnoxious here. Getting right now. Oh yeah. Look right now, this is my look. Oh, I can't walk in these shorts. These are the wrong size. These shorts are the wrong size. Okay, wait, walk for me.
Come to the dressing room.
Oh my gosh, okay. This is the look, this is the outfit. Okay.
The look?
Okay, okay,
Okay, I got a vlog.
okay, OG.
That's actually really cute. And then there's me. Ugliest outfit challenge award goes to me. Whoa, look at this.
Okay, that actually looks good. What the heck? That's terrible. Oh, we're getting the that's the look. Okay, they look good. They actually look good. What the heck? That's a freaking. You can't go wrong with a bodycon dress. Okay, this was.
You guys actually look.
This was my cute outfit. No, this was my cute outfit.
That was your cute outfit. Okay, look at that thing. Emily, stop.
Hey guys, hold up. It's your crafty grandma here, Mama Tauntaun. Look at my pom-poms I made myself, yeah. Oh, they're so adorable. Look at him with the circle. Oh, look at them. Oh, they're so adorable. I love them. Oh my god. Hi. Oh. Hey, bro. Rough night.
Oh my.
Lisa. Rough night. Hey guys, this is Lauren, and she has a YouTube channel too.
I do. She'll put it in the description below.
we didn't plan to like collab though. But
Yeah.
are you vlogging my vlog?
I'm vlogception.
Okay. Well, my friends are like leaving me, so
I'll put yours in the description too.
Look how much friends I have.
Very good.
So weird. See?
I'm too small.
It's Matti here, and if you guys don't know already, there's like a hurricane named Irma coming down to Florida, and and I've mentioned this like 5,000 times, but I live in Florida. So today is like kind of the prepare day. It's Tuesday. Tomorrow I have school, but Thursday and Friday I don't have any school. So yeah, the line for gas is so long. The grocery stores are like clearing out.
Have anything?
I literally just turned into the shop, and like this is the line for gas. Okay. Okay, but still, like the line for gas is so long. Oh my gosh. For gas.
The gas station
And it
on the other side.
continues. And the gas station is right over there. I'm really bad at it's like right over there. That's the gas station. And then the line started like way over there. We're gonna hit up Winn-Dixie to see if we can get more stuff that we need.
Oh, now he has just been into these birds for like, oh, really, Milo? As soon as I turn on the camera. But he has just been staring at these birds for like the past 15 minutes. See, it's like they have some type of like connection or something. I don't know. He's just staring at them. Milo? I don't know what it is.
Oh my gosh. Milo!
Daddy, did you walk in the water?
Milo's about to blow away! Daddy, did your car move? How did it get there?
Stefano was always here.
Oh my gosh. The road is so... The fish are okay though. Oh my gosh. Milo, I don't want you to blow away.
Wait, what? What doing?
Oh, Milo's dirty. Milo's dirty.
Couldn't be up front like through the grass. It wasn't my leg get up through the
Why are
grass.
you people leaving? Go where?
Wait, what's that?
Yeah. I think she heard it.
Random stuff. I'll probably put the wire to the
There you go. There's like literally waves. Like this is like a little mini beach. He was about to walk through the tree. Milo, where are you going? Milo, where are you going? Milo,